In professional PCB recycling, dismantling is not an optional step. It is the foundation of efficiency. Before crushing, the dismantling machine removes bulky components such as connectors, capacitors, and heat sinks. This significantly reduces impact load, protects downstream pressures, and ensures smoother, more stable operation. By pre-treating the material, the recycling line becomes safer, more consistent, and easier to control. More importantly, proper dismantling improves material liberation, allowing copper to be released more effectively. In later separation stages, less wear, lower risk, better recovery results. This is why professional PCB recycling always starts with dismantling. Follow and subscribe for more recycling equipment insights.